Have you guys ever tried a Korean dubu recipe before? Today, we're gonna show you guys how to make one with kimchi and samgyeopsal. And it's called dubu kimchi. Now, let's dig in. After about 10 seconds, you will be able to see the whole recipe. So, stay tuned.
Go to.
This is the part which I was talking about. Don't forget to capture this. Okay, green onions. Slice them. And the peppers. What you doing? Okay, I got it. Now, we're gonna boil the dubu in hot boiling water for approximately 2 minutes. Now toss in a handful of thinly sliced samgyeopsal. And also put in 2 tablespoons of butter. And mix well. By the way, some people might ask, "Hey Gochu, why didn't you put in the butter first?" Let's just say the order doesn't matter. Now, a little bit of brown sugar. Maybe 1 tablespoon or so. After then, the most important sauce you need in cooking Korean food, jjinganjang, with 3 tablespoons. And next, pour in a little bit of water. To add spiciness, toss in gochugaru and kimchi at the same time. Okay, we're almost done. Put in the garlic. Now toss in the leftover sliced onions from the previous video. Then turn off the fire. And we're gonna cook with the remaining heat. Now put in the vegetables and stir them in the remaining heat. Yo, stir! This will maintain the crunchiness of the vegetables and not overcook them. Oh wait, we have
another one.
The food is much more better if you add some sesame oil in.
Oh, nice.
And what you are seeing right now is the dubu kimchi. This is the perfect anju for all the adult subscribers out there. What's an anju? The food that perfectly matches with alcohol.
Another one.
Now pour in the soju and let's get full and drunk.